Hey guys, so today is April 16th. It is 9:27, pretty late to the charts, but nonetheless, let's see what's going on. Let me check the news real quick. I didn't get to check it. Let's see. Okay, so no news today. Cool. So let's do our top-down analysis, starting on the daily. Price has still been buying. We created a new all-time high. So we're going to go ahead and delete this trend line. If I can click it. Because price didn't made a new high. So we no longer need that trend line. If anything, I don't know. We don't need nothing, I guess. The price is just going on up. I would say we can put a trend line from here. That's the wrong line. Maybe from here. It's the wrong line too. Hold on, let me figure it out. Array. There we go. From here to here. Because price is going up kind of steep. It's also a zone right here on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour. But I'm not going to put it yet because it's not clear. It's 30-minute. Uh-oh. There it is. Okay. Yeah, price just tapped that zone. Nothing's clear yet. Price has been coming back down, if anything. We would need a new high or a new low. Market just opened, so let's see what we get. We would need a new high here or a new low here. Let's see. 30-minute. Yeah, nothing is really clear. Price is going down though. Looks like they're about to get the new low now, actually. So if price can break here, I guess we can go for sales. Bless you. Bless you. Okay, so if price can push below here, we can aim for sales. We do have a resistance line here, so it wouldn't be too much. This might just be a pullback. Because where would price be aiming? Yeah, this is the thing about all-time highs. You don't know how far up price will go. You don't know how far down price will pull back. So what I can do before that does whatever it's going to do, price found some resistance here. So right now I'm marking up my new key levels. So obviously not that many, but there is a few. Actually, where price is right now would be 1, 2. Oh, y'all. So after we took our trades yesterday, the 2 trades that we took yesterday, which is within one of these handles, I was like, ooh, I should take another one. I see another opportunity. Why did I not take it? Anyways, we're not even going to talk about that. Anyways, there's a 15 minutes on here. Price did just push below. Let's see if it invalidates the zone. Because like I said, I don't know where it would pull back to. Because this could just be a pullback. Doesn't necessarily have to be a reversal. So I'm going to just be watching the charts. More of a quiet day today. Just observing how price wants to move since we have a new all-time high. If price keep closing outside of the zone, we might aim for sale. I mean, not sales, buys. I would prefer buys since we're on an uptrend. Wouldn't really be interested in a pullback. But buys would have to break this structure for me to want to get in. Sales would have to invalidate this zone. Sales would have to want to invalidate this zone for me to want to get into sales. So, yeah. Let's see what we get. Okay, so price did just invalidate the zone and this trend line. So sellers are here. I just don't know where they're going. I genuinely don't know where they're going. The next zone would be on the 1 hour here. That's the 1 hour. Jeez. That was this one. When this candle broke structure and this created this zone, this would have been a good one to catch. Look at them go. Where are they going? I don't know. Oh, that's funny. I have this marked up. Anyways, I genuinely don't know. Because this would be technically like the first pullback, so. Let me get ready just in case. Today's goal is execution. So we're going to go for sales. That's all we're getting right now. One contract. Yeah. We are just execution. That's it. We got the break of structure. We got we have a zone. We just need a tap. We don't have a tap, so do not enter no matter what happens. Okay, I feel like this was some more real tap. Something I observe is usually when price, not all the time, but usually when price do come back to a zone, it usually comes back to the body of the candle. But it doesn't have to. That's kind of what I've been noticing and been wanting to see. But like I said, that doesn't have to happen. We're getting that momentum pushing outside of the zone. I'll just wait for the 5-minute candle to close, honestly. I have 1 minute. Get my stuff ready. I am not aiming that far, I won't lie. I don't want price to go past this. And I can aim for about here. So 1 or 2. Yeah, this is what I'll aim for. I mean, we could aim for these highs as well. But let's see. Close inside. So let's see. I'm not in the trade. Move this over. I hope that's what it wants to do. I'm not in the mood. That is momentum. I won't lie. That is momentum. This candle closed in 56 seconds. So it went back to tap this zone here. That is crazy momentum. But can it close outside the zone is the question. It's closing beneath this line for the most part. But we're not getting the close outside the zone. Did the sellers run out of juice? Did the sellers run out of juice? So I'm going to just execute. I need to see a close outside the zone. I need to see a close outside the zone to confidently want to get in. I feel like this is an entry though. I missed it, but I didn't see what I would want to see. So unless it pulls back, I guess I missed the trade. That is a pullback. That is a pullback. I'm gonna get in. I'm in. I'll aim for a 1-on-1. And now we sit until stop loss or TP. We did it, y'all. We executed another trade. That's not the price action I want to see. Watch it from the 1 minute. Whoa. What the heck, y'all?
What's it?
That literally scared me. Whoa. I'm gonna get out, actually. Right? Why couldn't glitch like that to the bottom? Why did it just do that? I feel like I should get out, right? Let me just get out. I don't know why it did that. So we lost $5. What the heck was that? That was pretty scary. Whoa. Yeah, no. We're gonna try that again. Just not. I don't know what that was. Is Price trying to change direction? It says my P&L is 67. Am I still in it? Wait, am I still in this trade? Wait. I'm so confused. Why am I down $50? Y'all, I'm so confused. I thought I got out the trade. Wait, I'm trying to figure this out. Okay. You have no orders open, so why is it saying I do? Hold on, y'all. Okay, yeah, I don't know what happened. Well, I do know what happened. I instead of me pressing buy to get out, I pressed sell again to get out. So it put in another contract. So we're down $75. Debating if I'm going to place another trade because I don't want to revenge trade. But that was actually an accident. So I'm still deciding what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna watch these charts because right now it's playing in this 5-minute zone. Had to get myself together, but yeah. So that was the accident. I ended up adding a contract instead of removing my one contract. So I was in the trade 2 contracts as it was pulling back to my stop loss. So that's how it jumped from being down $5 to being down $75. Buyers did step in once price hit this support. So we're starting to see a change of character or just a reversal, price going back up, which is great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try one more time. Not to revenge trade, but just to do it properly. Because, yeah, I don't know what that was. So, yeah, we have a new zone here. Price just broke structure. But there's also this zone here. So I think it would be best if we could break this structure. Or today will just be a no trade day. I don't know how I'm feeling. I'm gonna keep observing. All right, so I'm back. I don't even think I ended the video. I think I just stopped recording because I was just, honestly, I was upset about that trade that we took. The mistake that I made, adding a contract instead of taking out my contract. I added a contract, and so instead of being down $5, I was still in the trade. It ended up being down $75. But as time's passed, it's been about 3 hours now. It's actually 2 o'clock. I finally got off the chart, but before I got off the chart, y'all, if you made it this far, you're a real one. Because first of all, we're gonna get into the real nitty gritty. What happened? So, after the emotions never even settled. I was like, I'm gonna get into another trade because I wanted buys anyways. So I seen the market flipping back to the buyer's market, and I was like, well, let me catch one. I don't know if it was the fact that I'm recording. I felt like I just had to prove myself, or if it was the fact that I made a mistake and it was like that wasn't my intentions. I have to fix it. So I started over trading after I said I shouldn't overtrade and I should probably just be done for the day. And well, no, I overtraded and we ended up losing $200. $200. So we were down $200. Mind you, I don't even like losing $100. Okay, and this is on the live account. So anyways, yes, we're down $200. I just took it to the chest because I'm like, girl, you done dismissed all your rules and did everything you said you didn't want to do. You did it anyways. Why? Because that's emotional trading. If there's no other proof, no, I did not record it. I stopped recording because I thought I was done for the day. But I never stopped looking at the charts. And that was the problem. Once you're done for the day, close the charts. Close your laptop. Close your computer. Get off the charts. Get away from it. Because it's going to like make you get in because you're going to see more opportunities. No. If you're done, get off, y'all. I'm telling you. Or you'll be like me and be down $125 more than you want it to be, or $1,000 more than you want it to be, because as your account size grows, your risk size grows. So let that be the lesson of the day. Get off the charts, especially when you lose. Just get off the charts. Get off the charts. Go process your emotions. Go process what you did and let it go. Tomorrow's a new day. There's always more opportunities. Don't let this be the thing to throw your whole account away or blow your account. It's never that deep. It's not that serious. Money comes and goes. It took me 3 hours to get to this point because 3 hours ago I was in a whole nother zone mentally. So yeah, that's my lesson of the day. I'm gonna do some more psychology when it comes to trading psychology, and we're just gonna keep it pushing. We're gonna take our L and keep it pushing. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.